Testing the connection of Postgres-DB. I would like to put a button on the GUI if the software connects to a specific Postgres-DB. I wrote a small test function. If it can connect to the DB, it returns true. If not, it returns false. The code works, but there is an issue. If there is no connection, I just pull out the internet cable, nothing else changes. It simply takes too much time. Could you help me to make the code faster if there is no connection? Here is my simple test function.
Thanks for the comments. And yes, it was timeout related. Here is my faster code.
For test Postgres connection with Python, first you have to install this package and try this code.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.